Let's begin with the parent component. Here, we have defined a component named parent component using Vue component. This component will make use of the provide option, which is a function that returns an object. Inside the object, we are providing a piece of data called ProvideInject, and we're setting its value to hello from parent. This data is now available for any descendant components to inject. The template of our parent component includes a child component which will access the provided data indirectly. Moving on to the child component, which we've simply named child component. Notice that within its definition, there's no need to use provide or inject. The template only needs to declare the next component in the hierarchy, which is the nested child component. The child component acts as a bridge in our component tree, allowing the nested child component to receive the data provided by its ancestors. Finally, let's look at the nested child component, which is deeply nested and wishes to receive the data from its parent chain. To do this, it uses the inject option. By declaring inject as an array with the string provided message, it's demanding the provided data under that same key. With inject, provided message becomes part of the component's reactive data system, allowing it to be used directly within the template. As seen in the template, it outputs the received message within a div element.